Hey everyone, welcome back to day 5 of this destination wedding. And today is formals because it's a reception day today. Meet and greet kind of thing between the family, friends and everyone. So our reporting time is at 4:15. We are at 3:20 right now. Alistair said he needed another 10 minutes to get ready, which is, I don't know, shocking. Because I told him to be ready on time. And like usual, he's always late. Evander, same thing. So I'm here at his place, currently just waiting for him to come out. Today is going to be the last day of this wedding. I think for the first time in my last 3 years of shooting weddings, this is like the first time I ever shot like a 5-day straight destination wedding kind of a scenario, which is super hectic because we were new on this property. I was so new on this property, and the heat was like a blazing furnace because even yesterday at the mandap it was so hot. Like the sun was directly bouncing on the mirror sheet where the entry what do you call it, the aisle, the aisle, that's the correct term. So the aisle was used of some kind of material, like a reflective material. The sun was bouncing off and reflecting back on the cameras were overheating, so it was kind of a nightmare to be over there. In the night it was like super hot. I don't understand what's happening over here, but in Goa I think the humidity levels are off the charts. Yeah, but sometimes just be like maybe 5 minutes earlier.
What's the time?
3:33.
3 minutes.
Likes to take their own sweet time. Did you have lunch though?
Yeah.
Guys, we just reached kind of late. Feel Planet Hollywood does some alternate bag checking. For the first day they didn't do, second day they did, third day they didn't do, fourth day they're doing. Sorry, I think it's the reverse. Fifth day, so third. Yeah, third, and then today is the fifth day. I don't know what's happening, guys. The day you try to reach somewhere, it's always time consuming. Bag check. So guys, currently we are at the reception part of it. We did a quick video, the portrait session. I'm here charging up my mic because we are about to play the main video on the LED screen over there. Alice is also ready to remove his phone later on, but currently we're just waiting for some snacks actually, but sadly we cannot have any food over here. But so this is the harsh reality of being photographers and cinema guys, that there are cons to it. Don't think that our job is easy. See, currently we got tables. Okay, we got two tables. We don't have chairs to sit. So technically we got to like be standing the entire time.
Job, but
Yeah, he freelances, guys. He's the best ads manager Goa has ever got. Marketing agencies are lined up behind this guy, but he avoids their DMs and all.
true, whatever he said is true. Unless you're a real estate client,
Please do DM us. We're gonna be putting our links below how you can contact us. We are at the after party. So sadly we cannot enter with our cameras because the lasers are firing out. So it's very bad for the camera. So that's why we're wide. So you're the bride and groom. I said feel free to eat. So might as well have dinner here only. Spoiler alert, it's going to be copyrighted because the song playing in the background. So audio might go off. Taste test. Was it Maggie? Back again after the wedding. Here to eat omelette bread for dinner. The boy is just enjoying all that bread. So finally our wedding season comes to an end. But the team's been amazing. Had a lot of fun, worked with different people, different team members, and yeah, just overall had an awesome season. Today was the last wedding. We started off in November, we now ended in March. think we have one more wedding that's in July, if I'm not mistaken, somewhere around in the range. Keep liking our vlogs. We're going to get some more content out your way. Hopefully you guys enjoy what we post. Do share it with a friend. Obviously subscribe. And I'm just going to enjoy my omelette for now. Always toast your bread and have an omelette.